Life is full of surprises, and not all of them are welcome. At Unisource Insurance Associates, we're here to make sure you're prepared for whatever comes your way. With tailored property and casualty insurance solutions, we help you safeguard the people, places, and possessions you hold dear.
Property insurance protects what you own, from your home to your car. It's there when theft, fire, or unexpected disasters threaten the things you've worked hard to build. Casualty insurance, on the other hand, provides liability coverage, protecting you if you're held responsible for injuries to another person or damage to their property.
At Unisource, we don't just sell policies. We work closely with you to understand your unique needs and craft a plan that provides the right protection. Here are a few examples of how we can help.
Homeowners insurance helps protect your home and belongings against covered perils like theft, fire, or storms. It also provides liability coverage if someone is injured on your property or you accidentally cause damage to somebody else's.
Car insurance offers protection for your vehicle and liability coverage to keep you compliant with state laws. Additional options like comprehensive and collision coverage ensure peace of mind for any situation.
We provide business owners insurance, which protects your business property and provides liability to protect your business, your employees, and everything you've worked so hard to build. Whether you're a homeowner, a renter, an adventurer with a love for power sports, or a business owner, we have a solution tailored just for you. At Unisource Insurance Associates, we're proud to serve southeastern Wisconsin. We partner with top-rated national and regional carriers to bring you the best options at the best value. Our mission is to deliver true concierge experience, one where you feel empowered, informed, and confident in your decisions. When life takes an unexpected turn, rest assured that we've got your back.
Contact Unisource Insurance Associates today to get a personalized quote.